How to publish Canva designs to Instagram. Hey everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can publish your Canva designs on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into canva.com. Once you have your design ready, navigate to top right corner, click on the share button. Click on see all and here you will have an option as social. On the social there is Instagram. Click on Instagram. Now you have two options. You can either immediately post from the mobile application, which is suitable for personal and creator, but if you have a business account you can go with the settle post from desktop. But here I will just head towards the first option that is suitable for Instagram personal and creator. Select the option, click on continue. Now you'll have this QR on your interface. What you have to do is from your mobile device, you have to scan this QR code. Once you scan this QR code, you'll be taken into download prompt where you have to download the Canva application in your mobile device. So install the application. After the installation is complete, open up Canva in mobile device, log in into your account on your mobile device. Once you're logged in into Canva on the application on mobile device, select your recent project that you would like to share into Instagram. After you open up your project on your mobile device, tap or navigate to top right corner, click on the download button. Now once your project is completely downloaded, you will have an option to share. Tap on share. From there, select Instagram post. Then you'll be directly taken into the Instagram post prompt. There you can edit your post. Once you're done, tap on share and with that your design will be shared in your Instagram post. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.